Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Rich. Welcome to another edition of Problem Solved. You might be asking why we're looking at a half-inch socket and a ratchet and an adjustable wrench. Well, it's simple. That's about all you need to adjust the deck height from left to right, side to side height adjustment on the Yard Machines. I got the 638 RL. It should be similar for other models. So all you're gonna need is a half-inch either wrench or socket that you see there, and probably a fairly large adjustable wrench is the easiest tool to do the actual adjustment. I'm on the left side of the tractor. If you're sitting on it, the left side. If you're looking at it from the front, it'd be the right side. You go underneath and you see this half-inch bolt. That half-inch bolt is like a locking bolt. Once you loosen that up, it does say in the instructions you don't want to remove it. You loosen that up and it allows that larger nut behind it to adjust. I'm showing you right now the height I have on the left side of my deck. You're supposed to measure from the blade tips underneath it, but I'm improvising to show you on this video, and it's going to be close enough. The deck should be fairly even all the way around. Just to give me a rough estimate, I don't need it perfect. So, my left side was definitely high. I could see it was definitely mowing a little uneven. Once you have that half-inch bolt loosened, this one here that you're looking at now with the adjustable wrench, that one can move either left to right, and that will adjust the deck. The one side you will see going up or down depending on which way you're turning that nut. That nut on the opposite side of it has a gear. It's sort of like a gear that fits into almost like a sprocket, the way a sprocket and chain works, or a gear box. So that actually lifts and lowers the deck. You can see it going up and down there. All you have to do is turn that whichever direction you need it to go to make the left side even with the right. So in my case, I knew I needed to lower the left side here down a little bit. I think the right was around 2.5. So, I mean, I'm pretty close there, and I happen to know that that's all the adjustment I really have on mine. So for the purpose of this video, that's really all you got to do. Once it's adjusted, you tighten up that half-inch bolt again, and locks the nut behind it in place so it can't move, and you're all set. That's all there is to it. Literally like a 5-minute job. If your deck is out of whack and it bothers you and it's cutting unevenly left to right, side to side, not front to back, this is the adjustment for that, and this is how easy it is to do it. So as you can see now, I was closer to 2.5 on the left side. I'm on the right side now if you're sitting on the tractor, and that one you couldn't really tell, but that one was also closer to 2.5. So that's it. I hope you really liked this video. It's a real quick one. It's a real quick problem to solve, and you can do it yourself. Of course, always observe all safety and precautionary measures that you're supposed to, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me keep doing these videos to see that people are actually enjoying them and watching them and getting something out of them. And feel free to comment as well. I'm always looking and watching the comments and try to reply immediately. Thanks again. See you on the next one. Goodbye.